Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students and viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel DigiLearnersPoint. In today's video, we are going to cover the solution of question number 5 of assignment number 2 of subject 1430 Business Statistics. This assignment is related to the Spring 2023 and it is a part of the aiou examination system. Let's start editing the question and its related requirements, then finally we will discuss the solution. Question number 5 here. Infotech has researched the unit price and total value of memory chips imported into the United States in 1994 and 1996 as the following: products 1 megabyte chips, 4 megabyte chips and 16 megabyte chips. 1994 the price is $42, $180, $447, $65, $247 and $6.2, and this is the total dollar value of all three chips for 1994: 957, 487, 349. Now the first requirement is here: calculate the unweighted average of relative price index for 1996 using 1994 as the base period. In question number 4 we have determined the unweighted average price index. Here we are going to determine the average of relative price index, as relative means in relation to someone. So in at the time of discussing solution we are going to clear it more in detail. Calculate the weighted average of relative price index number for 1996 using the dollar for each product in 1994 as appropriate set of weights and 1994 as base years. Above is unweighted and below is weighted. So let's move to the solution. This is a solution. Here is the data from column A to column D as it is taken from the question. So the column E and P is related to our calculations. So base period or base year is 1994. Part A, number of products are 3. Unweighted average of relative price index formula is here: Pi divided by P naught. P naught means price in the base year and P is related to its relative value or corresponding value into 100 divided by N. Here is the N. This is also, you can write it here, N here. N means number of products. So let's determine this Pi divided by P naught. So 65 divided by 142, you will get this value, and 247 divided by 180, and similarly 612 divided by 447, you will get all these corresponding values of the indices. Now this is our index or unweighted average of relative price index 142.966 by dividing it by 3. Okay, so here 428, and when you divide it 3 you will get this value 148.966. Now come to the part B, where we have to determine the same thing, but here the difference is that only weighted average of relative price index. Now come to the formula that we have used here. This is Pi over P naught into 100. This is same as above, but the only difference is P and Qn. P and Qn. N is 0 for the base period. So here the base period is 1994. So here is the P naught Q naught related to 1994. So here we will determine this P and Qn. How I am going to determine this? We already determined this column. We just multiply this corresponding values of E column with the respective values of 90 D column, which is also known as P naught Q naught. So we will get these corresponding values of weighted average of relative index here. Now here is the 428 P naught Q naught 1793. So divide this sum of F column with the sum of E column, we will get the weighted average of relative price index, which is equal to 146.524. So I hope you will find this solution useful. Please remember that this is an ideal answer of the question. Don't copy it as it is. Please use your mind. If you have any question and query, ask me in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon button as well, and hit the like button for encouraging me. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum.